Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am JHS Electronic Lab and today we are going to learn about resistor in series and parallel. Let's make it simple and easy to understand. What is a resistor? A resistor is an electronic component that resists the flow of the electric current. It is measured in ohms. Resistor in series when resistors are connected one after another in a signal line that call it a series connection. In series, the same current flow throughout all resistors. The total resistance increases. If one resistor is broken, the entire circuit is stopped. Formula: resistance total divide R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus. Resistor in parallel when resistors are connected side by side so that both in are connected to the same point. That's parallel connection. In parallel, the voltage is the same across each resistor. The current splits between the resistor. The total resistance decreases. If one resistor breaks, the other still works. I hope you now understand how resistance behaves in series and parallel circuit. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friend. Let me know in the comments what topic you are like to learn next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.